Welcome class 10th. We discussed about exercise 13.1 and 13.2, right? Today we are going to learn about 13.3 exercise, which is based on conversion of solids from one shape to another shape. What does it mean? Means they may melt cube to sphere. Example may be of conversion of cuboid melting to form cylinders. There may be example based on cylinder cut into 10 small cylinders. Okay, like this. So for this we need all examples formulas, all solids formulae. Okay, children. So let us start for exercise 13.3. Exercise 13.3. Okay, fine. Now I am taking example number 2 from exercise C. Example 2. I am reading metallic sphere of radius 6 centimeter. Sphere, first solid is sphere. Immediately write the name sphere. Of radius 6 centimeter. Radius equal to 6 centimeter. And 8 centimeter and 10 centimeter. See there are 3 spheres of radius 6 centimeter, 8 centimeter, 10 centimeter. These spheres are melted to form a single solid sphere. Melted to form one sphere. Melted to form one sphere. Okay, find the radius of resulting sphere. Find radius of new sphere. Resulting sphere means new sphere. Then what does it mean? Volume of new sphere is equal to volume of first sphere plus volume of second sphere plus volume of third sphere. Yes or no? So we are writing comprehensive. Volume of new sphere equal to, if we take 3 spheres, say sphere 1, volume 1 plus volume of 2 plus volume of 3, right? So then see, what is the volume of sphere formula? You are knowing 4 by 3 pi r cube. If it is first volume, say radius r1 plus pi upon 3 pi r cube r2 plus 4 upon 3 pi r cube means r3. r1, r2, r3 are 3 different radii. Okay, now see, all 3 are having 4 upon 3 pi is common. 4 upon 3 multiplied pi is common, so we can take r1 cube plus r2 cube plus r3 cube. Got it? Right, children? Now see, they are asking to find radius of the resulting sphere. See, volume of new sphere. Can you tell me formula? Again, its formula is 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Suppose r is radius of new cube. So this 4 upon 3 and pi will be cancelled. So r cube is equal to r1 cube plus r2 cube plus r3 cube. So I'll put value of r1. What is value of r1? 6. Yes. Now 6 cube plus, what is that? 8 cube plus 10 cube. Now see students, this is to be solved as per our way. Some students are using identity, some are using directly. Now see, 6 cube, 6, 36 multiplied by 6. Don't know directly, you can multiply in rough column here. Okay, 36 multiplied by 6, 216 plus 8 cube. Yes, 64 multiplied by 8, 512 plus 10 cube, 1000. Right? Now add 6 plus 2, 8. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 5, 7, 1. So we got 1728 r cube. Now find cube of this one. Yes, students, come on, 1728. See, do it. You are knowing this. You must know this. You must practice. If we practice, definitely you learn it. Okay. So there is nothing to bother about it. Remember it. See now, cube means we are making group of 3, 3. That is what 2. So r equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. So r equal to 12 centimeter. So radius of new solid soap form is 12 centimeter. Is it clear, children? Very simple. Now please just think properly, and important is this combination. Later on writing formula, writing this formula, cancellation, and important cube. Be careful. Don't know, then no tension. No need to bother. If you don't know direct cube, please do in the column. No need to bother. Okay. Now we will take. I am taking example number 3. Example 3. See, very interesting, very simple. I am just reading. A 20-meter deep well with diameter 7 is dug, and the earth from digging is evenly spread out to form a platform 22 meter by 14 meter. Find the height of the platform. So what is that? Deep well means cylinder. See, well. Just write cylinder shape. Okay. Now deep is height 20 meter. Okay. And diameter 7 meter. That is radius equal to 7 upon 2 means 3.5 meter. Okay. And whatever soil is removed by digging the well is spread to form a platform. Platform's length, breadth and height is asked. See, means that is cuboid. So platform is what is changed to form, that is platform. What is shape of the platform? Please write down cuboid. See students, all these things are writing for understanding, to recall the formula which is useful. Now see, you are given length equal to 22 meter, breadth equal to 14 meter. You are given that yes. Now height is asked, question mark, 14 meters. Now let us find volume of the soil removed will be equal to volume of cuboid. Volume of well is equal to volume of platform. So well is cylinder. So volume of cylinder is pi r square h. Volume of platform, that is cuboid, LBH. Now put values. If value of pi not given, we need to take 2 upon 7. Put it. Radius is how much? 3.5. Height is how much? 20. Okay. Length is what? 22. Breadth is what? 14. And height is what? Don't know. Now simple to take cross multiplication and cancellation. You cancel this 3.5 by 7. Okay. Now see, student, we are getting it 22 multiplied by 3, that is 0.5 multiplied by 3.5 multiplied by 20 equal to 22 multiplied by 14 multiplied by h. Now cross multiplication, this 22 will get cancelled. Now we are bringing 14 to this side. See, 0.5 multiplied by 3.5 multiplied by 20 upon 14, that is equal to h. Again cancel by 2 or by 7, we can cancel, right? So let us cancel by 2 first. 2 7s 14, 2 10s 20. Now this 3.5 and 7, 7 1 7, 7 5s 35, 0.5. So we are getting it now. See, 0.5 multiplied by 0.5 multiplied by 10 equal to h. So 0.5, what is that? 0.25. Yes or no? Multiplied by 10. So multiply by 10 means 2.5 meter is height of the platform. Did you understand, students? Students, please see the video 2 times, understand and solve yourself.